Let's get you the latest on United Spirits. Remember, the stock plunged in trade today by 17% on uncertainties over its deal with Diageo. Now, this came after Vijay Mallya's comments over the weekend that he's in no hurry to strike a deal with the world's largest spirit maker, Diageo. Let's get in Nisha Podar, who now joins in from our Mumbai newsroom with more details. Nisha, from day one, there have been so many questions surrounding this deal. Now, whether it's happening or not remains the big question as well. What are your sources telling you?
Avan, sources who are directly familiar with this particular deal do tell me that at this moment the deal is still in the works. In fact, the biggest delay that is being caused in this deal's finalization and consummation is the fact that KFA got grounded, and Diageo wants to make doubly sure that there are no loose links between the two group companies, United Spirits as well as KFA. So due diligence is still on. The structure of the deal is getting finalized, and that's one of the big reasons why the delay has happened. Now, the biggest reason why the stock took a nosedive today, and there was a temporary crack in the stock in the middle of the day, and it went down over 17%, but then it soon recovered and closed the day down about 9% in the day. It was a lot of profit booking that was done by some of the investors. I hear that a lot of accumulated positions had come in at 700 rupees, 800 rupees and 900 rupees per share of USL. And now that it had gone above 1,000 rupees, and it was widely anticipated that the deal will be struck at 1,450 rupees per share. So that was the anticipation at which the players wanted to exit the stock. But since there is an uncertainty, the larger investor community now feels, after the Vijay Mallya's comments over the weekend, that the deal could be delayed by 3 to 6 months, and that's one of the big reasons they wanted to book profits.